YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for you. This little bag here from Louis Vuitton. I guess I do sometimes still shop there. This is one of the items that it made sense to buy at the store because it's cheaper or close enough to the same price when you compare it to the Preloved prices. So I actually got three things yesterday. I got this little bag, I got this big bag, and I got this bag here. The big bag, I'll tell you, well, let me say one thing. I'm going to split this into 3 videos, so I'll do the little bag today, I'll do the big bag tomorrow, and the Aldo bag the day after that. And I'll tell you up front, the big bag is not as exciting as it looks, but the Aldo bag is more exciting than it looks. So stay tuned. Okay, I went to the store yesterday, partly to get the big bag, but also partly to get this. And this is something I've wanted for a while. It's a small item. It's not a big deal in the world of Vuitton, but it's something that I needed to add to my collection. I was thinking of getting it for my birthday, but now I'm thinking of maybe getting a handbag for my birthday. So I thought, you know, I've had a little bit of not so great of a summer so far. There've been good things, but there have been some not so good things too. In the last few months, there have been some really bad things. And I think I've mentioned that to you guys. Family stuff, personal stuff, I'm not going to talk about YouTube, but I was having a bad day on Wednesday, and I woke up yesterday, which was Thursday, and I said, you know what? Why not go to Vuitton and get this and do a little retail therapy, make myself feel a little bit better? And it worked. So I went, and I was so glad they had it. This is something that's been available. Let me go ahead and get to this. It's something that's been available on the website, but I wasn't certain if the store would still have it because the stores have had low stock on canvas pieces. So here is the receipt, and I have, it's interesting, I'm not going to show you the business card, but the sales associate who helped me, he was super nice, very, very nice, showed me everything I wanted to see, because I looked at this and I looked at 2 handbags. Here's my receipt. I won't show you the other side because it has card numbers and all that stuff on it. And then inside my bag is a tiny box. There's my little box. And I'll just slide off the ribbon. I did think it was interesting that it is late June and they still had a holiday shopping bag from 7 months ago, but they had the regular ribbon, and then my giant bag was the regular bag with the blue ribbon. Here is my item, little dust bag. Make sure I'm doing this on camera. I've had a bad habit lately of holding things down here where you can't see them. So here we go. Open her up, and I got, this dust bag seems a little tighter on this item than it is on my other ones. I got the clay in Azur. So there it is. It's the one clay of the 3 canvas ones that I didn't have yet. And I'll show you my collection in a minute. So I need to do a review on these clays if I haven't already, because I love them. This runs $205 is the current price on it, $205. And there it is. The interior looks like that. This one, not sure where it was made, probably made in America because it just says Louis Vuitton Paris, doesn't have the made in France stamp, so it's probably American. The date code is in this corner down here. There it is. Date code is SD2168, so I'll have to look up SD. But it was made in the 26th week, not month, of 2018. And of course it has the the little clip here, like my words aren't coming to me, the little clip here so you can clip it onto things. And that's what I like to do, is use it as a bag charm. So yesterday I carried to the store this bag, my Speedy 25, and it's not a bandolier, but you know, I like a shoulder strap, so I put my Terrain strap on this, and I have luggage tag over there. And while I was in the store, I tried this on the bag to see how it would look, because I was worried on the 25 that the clay might hang too low. But there it is on the bag, and I think that's perfect, and I think it's adorable. So I have my little collection complete. Let me grab my clays and show you everything I have. So here are my 3 clays now. I have the Damier Azur, the Monogram, and the Ebene. So I have the Canvas Trio, and then I also have this one, which I love, the Denim Clay, and it also has the little strap on the, or the little clip on it. And I think I found another clay online today that I want to order Preloved, so stay tuned for that. That'll be coming up probably week after next, because with next week being July 4th, we'll run into some shipping holidays there. Those are pretty. I love clays. I want to have a little clay collection, because there are limited edition ones, and they're just so versatile and cute as bag charms, and love them. And they're not that expensive, relatively speaking, when you compare them to other Vuitton items. So I highly recommend clays, especially if you don't have any Vuitton. That is a great place to start. Get a little feel for the item and like the quality of Vuitton. That would be my recommendation. It's a great starter piece. And if you have a collection and you don't have clays, try one out, because they're awesome. Oh, and somebody asked me, because I posted a picture of this bag next to some champagne yesterday on Instagram. Somebody asked me if I bought, or if I asked for champagne when I bought this, because in a previous video I'd said next time I go, I don't care if I'm spending $5 or whatever, I'm asking for champagne. So yeah, I've got to call myself out on that a little bit. This, like I said, was a $200 item. I didn't feel comfortable asking for champagne for a $200 item if I go in for my birthday and buy a larger item and they don't offer champagne, then I will ask for it for sure. But what I did was I bought my item, and then I went to 5115, which is my favorite restaurant at the Galleria. It's inside Saks, and I sat at the bar and had a little bottle of Moet and Chandon, and looked at my pretty holiday bag. So that was my day, and I'm feeling better now. And thank you to the people who were so supportive on that Instagram post too, when I said that I was feeling kind of down and needed a little pick-me-up. Alright, that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to click the like button, the subscribe button if you're not subscribed yet, and click that bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Bye.